Okay, I want to explain the Bob bot, and that's this image here. This is called the Bob bot Trade Manager, and the guy that designed it didn't finish it correctly. Okay, and it's the Expert Advisor Lazypreneur 7BA. If you click this, you can download the EX4 and the MQ4 file. Okay, these are just pictures of the inputs. And if you scroll to the bottom of the input, this is the inputs for the Bob bot right here. Okay, so you will have to find that on the code somehow. Um, and then there's a bunch of other stuff that doesn't work. They have entry filters, exit filters, trend. What he was starting to do with Trend Manager, I don't know if any of that works. I don't think it works. So there's some grid stuff which has nothing to do with my EA hedge grid, whatever, and some money management. Anyway, let's take a look at um, the Bob bot. So here we go. All right, so I've installed it. It's the Lazypreneur 7B. Okay, and like I said, you scroll to the bottom, and these are the inputs. Okay, and right now, the way I use it is I will put lot percent balance, so say 1%, take profit price, and I'll put whatever price. So I'll come over here and let me see. Let me go to H4. So let's say I put my stop at 1817.25. It's kind of slow too. I wonder if you could make it faster and make this smaller somehow, but not so small that I can't read the words. And by clicking here, it reveals the line. Okay. So let's say I want to take profit down here, 1772.03. Right now it's fast, but when the market opens, it gets really slow. So now I have take profit, and I can make $1,900, and I think that's the price, and it's 400 and so many pips. Anyway, I can see. I got to choose sell, so it changes it to sell. There we go, and then I can refresh right here. That should say calculate. I'd like to change it to calculate, and if possible, I'd like in the comments to auto calculate. Uh, so the stop loss is 500. You can round it up or round it down. The take profit is 29,847. That's a lot of money. Plus, uh, 29K, and then the risk to reward is 1.59. Is that right? Wow, 1.59. And the margin, it doesn't show the margin, but I would like to know what the margin would be. Um, so if I refresh, it's going to be 6 lots, take profit amount, stop loss amount, risk to reward, take profit in pips, stop loss in pips. it shows me the gold symbol, H4 time frame. What is that? One. I think that's 1 hour, and on the candle time remaining, I don't know why there's like another dot. Maybe 1 hour or 1 day, 1 hour and 2 minutes, I guess. Anyway, that's when the market closed, and then the percentage of the candle. Um, Let me show you. I have one called candle time. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so I think it's 1 hour, 1 minute, and 2 seconds, 25%. Okay. Um, this tells me how many pips is active and how much profit I'm in on the actual trade. Like I said in the comment, I would like it to automatically put this information in there. And somewhere in here, I'd like to see the margin before I enter the trade. Maybe over here, maybe you can put it on this line. But I would really like this sell by and all this information at the top, and then I can minimize it so that way when I've taken the trade, I can I can put the sell by at, well, actually I don't, I want to see this information when I minimize it, this information here plus the margin and the pips and the active trade amount. That's what I'd like to be able to do. Okay. Um, anyway, so that's how that works. The stop loss price plus pips would be whatever I add. I would like the stop loss, like if I put candles. So let's say I say 2 candles, for example. In this case, it wouldn't be applicable because there's no candles above it. Let's use a different price. Let's use let's go here. So I'm going to go on a buy. Oh no, it would only apply to the latest candles. So let's go on a buy. And our entry is, oh, what am I doing? Oh yeah. Let's say it's 4 candles. And my entry is 1818.02. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it didn't work. Let's see, stop loss candles. There it is. I had to hit refresh. But I want one to be here. This is 1 candle. This should be 2. Maybe if I put 0, let's see if that works. No. 3. I wonder why it goes down so far. 3. Yeah, it's not working. 2. Let's try that. It was working. Anyway, 1 should be right below here. 2 should be here, 3, 4. Let's try a different time frame. No, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. By the way, I can hide this and then I can show it. And this is kind of clunky, but I wanted to copy all of my settings and then be able to paste it onto the time frame. But I don't know if it works. Let's try it. Paste. Oh, yeah, it did work. Okay. Let me see. Okay. But it doesn't save. Let me see if it saves. What I was hoping save would do is that it would save it in here. 1782. See, it didn't save the take profit price. So I don't know what the purpose of the saving was for. Because if I watch, if I hit OK, it resets it. So it didn't save anything, but I can paste it back together. I have a magic number here. I can move it and I can close all. I don't know if that works. Pending. I don't have any trades open to check. Um, so the other thing I would like, let's see. So let's go with lot dollar amount. So let's say I want to risk $1,000. I don't think it works. See, it didn't. Let me put $10,000. Yeah, that doesn't work. Fixed lots. Let's go with 1 lot. Take profit stop loss ratio. I want 1 to 2. And let's see what happens. I'm still not getting my stop loss line. Um, and then I'd also like the stop loss to be able to say, I'd have to give it some thought. But anyway, let me know if you're able to just, I only need this code. I'm going to end this video here. So when we're designing everything else, we only need this code, nothing else, okay? You can throw away all this other stuff, all this other code, unless it's useful, I don't know.